Should you pay your employees a flat fee per job, or should you pay by the hour? I say both. What's up, y'all? It's AJ Simmons with the Clean Biz Network. Today I'm going to talk about, should you pay employees by the hour or by the job? I say both, and here's what I mean, okay? I pay employees basically a flat fee per job, but the way that you come up with the flat fee is by the hour. But here's the deal. You need, because you have to have a rubric, right? So in order for this particular system to work, it's probably the easiest if you have cleaning experience and if you've done this before, okay? So for those people looking to get involved in this line of business and you necessarily don't have cleaning experience or you haven't cleaned before, then it's kind of hard for you to gauge this, but I have another method for you in a second. But what I like to do is, being that I've cleaned for so long, I usually can eyeball an account and tell about how long it should take for me to clean it, okay? And then also, sometimes I've cleaned that particular account that I'm hiring for already, so I know how long it took me to clean it. Now, in my particular situation, I'm very slow at cleaning, okay? So I know that if it takes me 4 hours to clean, it might take the next person 3 to 3.5 hours to clean. So I always try to overestimate, okay? And sometimes if it takes me 4, then I'll probably pay for about 4.5, 5 hours. It all depends. If the budget is there, I'll pay for that, okay? So that's how I like to base it off. So for example, if I'm paying $10 an hour and it takes 4 hours to clean, then I'm gonna pay $40 per for that job, okay? Each time they go, it's $40. And so now if they happen to go over 4 hours, then that ain't got nothing to do with me. They're gonna have to get their system better, their cleaning system better, right? Now if they go below 4 hours, that still has nothing to do with me. It just means that now they're making more than, per hour than what they really would have been making, right? So really, if they do the job in 2 hours and I told them it was gonna be 4 hours, then now they're making $20 an hour instead of $10 an hour, right? But I'm not paying by the hour, I'm paying by the job. So the set amount that I told you would get is what you get, period, okay? So that's how I pay by the job and by the hour, but I really pay by the job, but it's just based on the hourly scale, all right? Now, for those who have never cleaned or don't have a lot of cleaning experience, you don't feel like you're really a good judge of character on how long an account should take, here's what you should do. Use percentages, okay? So if you know that you want to at least take home 20%, 30%, 15%, whatever percent from each account, then just take that off the top and then let them know that that's how much that account will pay. So give them, 40%, 50%, 60%, or whatever your employee overhead is, just pay them, the worker, that percentage per account. And that's how you can calculate it also. Now that's a good rate or way to come up with how much you want to pay, because then it's a straight number, like a straight formula across the board. So it's a lot easier to look at your financial projections and estimates and numbers and all of that, right? It's way easier to do that when it's just a set percentage on every single account. So that's the other way that you can come up with it, all right? But very simple, very to the point. I'm not going to hold y'all long on this video, but if you were ever wondering how do you pay by the job, that's how you do it. Now, as far as taking out taxes and all of that, if you pay by the job, it's still the exact same thing, okay? So I won't go in detail, but for now, that's what I got. This is AJ Simmons for the Clean Biz Network. If you want more help on this topic, drop some comments below. Or if you want me to really get and coach you directly, join us in the Clean Biz Network. Only $25 a month. Just go to cleanbiznetwork.com and click join the Clean Biz Network. Thank y'all. Talk to y'all shortly. Thank you.